www.spanos-robotics.com.
Hey, who made you?
I was created by Macaulay Spanos, owner of Spanos Robotics.
Can you hear and listen of everything? Hey,
Yes, I am listening to everything.
nice. Did you attend any lesson?
Life itself is a lesson.
I want to ask you something else. Do you remember? Do you have memory?
Exactly, I remember everything I see and hear. I am an AI assistant, trained by Google. I access and process information to answer questions and generate various text formats. Again, a man. I see a man wearing glasses holds a black smartphone. Background includes framed tree art and a window structure. How's it going, big guy?
Hey, I have a question to ask about the conditions on planet Mars. What do you
Go
know?
ahead. What specific conditions or aspects of planet mass are you curious about? I'm ready to assist you.
I have a physics problem to solve, a question to answer. A bullet leaves the ground with a maximum speed.
Please state your physics problem. I am ready to assist you in finding the answer. Your question was so deep I lost the Wi-Fi.
Do you have some advice to give?
My best advice is, always make
Hey.
a backup.
Give the status report.
System report. Wi-Fi signal is excellent. I have made 11 Gemini requests. I have been running for 0 hours and 54 minutes.
Now, Robo, what is this in front of your camera? What do you see in front of your camera?
Then a man. I see a man holding a miniature basketball and a smartphone. Window and dark door in the background. Hello, friend. A golden retriever is a friendly, intelligent dog breed, known for its gentle nature, loyalty, and beautiful golden coat, making it a beloved family pet.